How to fix Santander app won't let me log in. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. To effectively troubleshoot any login issues encountered while trying to access the Santander Consumer Bank app, it is important to first and foremost ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. This step is crucial as a weak or intermittent internet connection can often be the underlying cause of login problems. Additionally, it is recommended to check for any available updates for the app itself. Keeping the app up to date can help resolve any compatibility issues that may be hindering their login process. Now go to the settings section and go all the way down and click on apps. Now search for Santander app. Click on it. Again scroll down and go to storage and simply clear the cache or clear the data. Furthermore, clearing the cache and storage associated with the app can potentially address any temporary data conflicts that might be affecting the login functionality. This simple step can sometimes make a significant difference in resolving the login issues. So in case the problems persist even after taking the aforementioned measures, it might be necessary to reinstall the app, and reinstalling the app can refresh its settings and configurations, potentially eliminating any persistent login issues. So this was all about it. If you find yourself still facing the difficulties, feel free to reach out to us for the further assistance. Your feedback is valuable to us, so please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated to the latest troubleshooting tips and solutions. Thank you for watching.